Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Panic, panic, panic. Is it going to 70,000? Are we all going to die? What am I going to do? No, no, no. In 2017, it went down 28% in 5 days, and then it kind of sideways chopped and then rallied. It will decouple from this chart going forwards from here. That I will give a high probability, 70% probability. The low is in, it will decouple, and eventually it will go. The next phase will be alt season. Basically, we've just crossed 50 in the ISM. That doesn't mean instant alt season right now. Give me my alts. Where's banana zone? Banana zone's not happening. The banana zone's failed. You've slipped on the banana skin. Shut the fuck up. It takes time. It'll all play out. As the ISM accelerates, altcoins will accelerate.
Raoul Pal, CEO of Real Vision, remains highly optimistic about the future of Bitcoin and altcoins despite current market fluctuations. He notes that Bitcoin has likely hit its cycle low, with a 70% probability that the bottom is in. Pal predicts the next phase, referred to as alt season, where altcoins will rally significantly as the broader crypto market gains momentum. He emphasizes that market cycles take time to play out, and investors should be patient as global liquidity conditions improve. Pal highlights the importance of global liquidity, particularly driven by central bank actions and economic policies in major economies like China and the US. He anticipates that China will need to introduce significant monetary stimulus, which, along with a weakening dollar, will create favorable conditions for risk assets like Bitcoin and altcoins. Pal compares the current market to previous cycles, arguing that the crypto market's trajectory aligns with
Global going up, the weaker dollar. There's global M2 and Bitcoin. Oh my God, I hear you say. So we're at the acceleration phase. We've got liquidity coming. The ISM is not going to peak until the end of the year, maybe even into 2026. There is nothing, literally nothing to concern yourself. Here's the ISM and a kind of detrended, some fancy thing that Julian does with this. Gives you a pricing model of Bitcoin. I mean, if the ISM goes up to 60, where it should be going, I mean, we're talking Bitcoin in the 250, 350, whatever thousand level. We ain't even started. Oh, and altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. Here's altcoins' percentage of total market cap. Basically, we've just crossed 50 in the ISM. That doesn't mean instant alt season right now. Give me my alts. Where's Banana Zone? Banana Zone's not happening. The Banana Zone's failed. You've slipped on the banana skin. Shut the fuck up. It takes time. It'll all play out. As the ISM accelerates, altcoins will accelerate.
Raoul, CEO of Real Vision, forecasts a promising future for Bitcoin and altcoins, suggesting a 70% probability that Bitcoin's lowest price for this cycle is already in. He anticipates a transition into alt season, driven by liquidity increases from global central banks, particularly China. Pal emphasizes that the crypto market cycles mirror past patterns, with global economic indicators like ISM crossing 50 signaling an expansion phase. Altcoins, he predicts, will outperform Bitcoin as risk appetite grows alongside liquidity and market recovery. Pal also highlights that inflation fears are overblown, with key drivers like housing costs declining. He believes global monetary easing and weaker currencies will support crypto and other risk assets. The current consolidation phase, described as part of his banana zone concept, is expected to lead to explosive growth in both Bitcoin and altcoins, potentially pushing Bitcoin prices to new highs by the next phase of the cycle.
Is wage tracker growth going lower. Therefore, we will not see wages increasing for a while, if at all, depending whether AI breaks it entirely. Ain't concerned about that. Oh, home prices. Well, home prices are a massive drag because there's a 17-month lead. phase 2 kicks in and it goes fucking la. It goes bananas. Then guess what? Correction phase 2 fits in. And then we go to the final blow off.
Raoul Pal expresses optimism about the crypto market, highlighting that Bitcoin may have hit its cycle low and an alt season is likely on the horizon. He emphasizes that improving global liquidity and economic conditions will drive significant growth in both Bitcoin and altcoins, with Bitcoin potentially reaching $250,000 or more. Patience and a long-term perspective remain key for investors navigating these cycles. As the market evolves, Pal points to parallels with previous cycles, suggesting that the crypto space is entering a new phase of expansion. He encourages investors to stay focused on the broader potential of cryptocurrencies despite short-term fluctuations. How will global monetary policies shape the future of crypto markets? Which altcoins do you think will lead the next bull run? Share your thoughts in the comments.